Now I'm going to discuss special type of problem from LHospital rule. Okay, where you have to find the some unknown value a, b, c. For example, I have considered two questions like find the value of a, b, and c such that limit x tends to 0, a into e to the power x minus b cos x plus c into e to the power minus x by x cos x is equals to 2, applying LHospital rule. Similarly, find the value of a and b such that limit x tends to 0, x into 1 minus a cos x plus b sin x by x cube is equals to 1 by 3, applying LHospital rule. So similar, if you have a luck, then you can see the same question if you have good luck, and if you have bad luck, similar type of question you can see. Okay, now try to understand. Try to solve question number 1, then you try to solve question number 2, because in question number 1 there are 3 unknown you have. Okay, similarly you can find question number 2 also. Now try to understand step by step. Now solution. Okay, that is here limit x tends to 0, a e to the power x minus b cos x plus c e to the power minus x by x sin x. Basically, if I can consider x tends to 0, then you have then you can see that is e to the power 0 means 1, cos 0 means 1, a minus b, and e to the power 0 means 1, then a plus b plus c by 0, that is undefined case. Okay, so here you may write, if you can put the value, the lower part becomes 0, but here on upper part, that is numerator part, is not equals to 0. So that is an undefined case you can see. So you may write, since the given function has finite limit, mind it, please make it underline, has finite limit means you can find the value that is already have it, that is 2. So finite limit as x tends to 0 and denominator tends to 0 as x tends to 0, the numerator so here numerator is going to 0 as x tends to 0, so numerator should also tends to 0 as x tends to infinity, which gives, because if denominator becomes 0, so numerator must be 0, so that is 0 by 0 form. Okay, which gives that is, if numerator part becomes 0, that means this one part be 0, then you can write that is a minus b plus c is equals to 0. This is number 1 relation. Okay, next line you can write, therefore that is x tends to 0, a e to the power x minus b cos x plus c e to the power x by x sin x 0 0 by 0 form. That means 0 by 0 form. Clear why it is 0 by 0 form? It is clear because if numerator your values limit, the given information is a limit value exists, so that means if denominator part is 0, so numerator part must be 0, then 0 by 0 form. So that's why you have this condition. Okay, now if you have a 0 by 0, so this is your assumption part. So limit x tends to 0. Now differentiate this, that is sin x plus x cos x. Okay, so from here you may write a e to the power x plus b sin x minus c to the power minus after derivative by LHospital rule. Clear? Now you can see, okay, now you can see your limit. When you limit x tends to 0, this is goes to 0, this also goes to 0, but here 0 plus this also this is 0 minus c. Okay, so again just you can see your limit exists, but here what is the situation you have? The lower part becomes 0, but our upper part is not equals to 0. It means what? That is undefined case, but your limit exists which is equals to 2. So next line you write again this function has finite limit limit 2 as x tends to 0 and in the denominator tends to 0 as x tends to 0, then the numerator should also tends to 0 as x tends to 0. Correct? Same logic. So what you have, if I can consider 0, that is numerator part, that is your a plus 0 minus c is equals to 0. It means a minus c is equals to 0. So this also second equation. Okay, second equation. Next you can write, therefore limit x tends to 0 a e to the power x plus b sin x minus c to the power minus x by sin x plus x cos x, this also 0 by from. Now it is clear why it is, because based on the previous calculation, one condition in the next what you have, that is a second condition. Okay, now again you should write limit x tends to 0. Now simplify, that is again derivative, that is a e to the power x plus b cos x plus c to the power minus x by cos x plus cos x minus x sin x. Okay, by LHospital rule. Don't forget to mention. So if I simply simplify this, what you have, this 0, that is your a plus b plus C by 2 minus 0. So ultimately you have A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. Next line you write, according to the question, limit x tends to 0, a e to the power x plus b a e to the power x minus b sin x plus c e to the power minus x by x sin x is equals to 2. Correct? According to the question, which is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. Clear? This one. So this is the given. So this is your calculated value. Okay. So next line you may write, therefore a plus b plus c is equals to 4. This is your third equation. Okay. So ultimately what you have, what is the number 1? That is a minus b plus c is equals to 0. This is number 1. A is minus c is equals to 0. This is your 2 equation, that is a plus b plus c is equals to 4. This is your third equation. Okay. Now you can see now 3 minus 1. Ultimately what you have, 3 minus 1, that is from here you can write 3 minus 1, that is 2b is equals to 4. This imply b is equals to 2. Please check. Okay. Okay. From 1 b is equals to 2. From 1 using 2, so a is equals to 3 from 2, then you have 2a minus b is equals to 0. That means 2a is equals to b. So what is b? B is equals to 2. So a is equals to b by 2 is equals to 2 by 2, which is cancelled, that is 1. So this imply a is equals to 1. Okay. And next, since a minus c is equals to 0, this means a is equals to c is equals to 2. So therefore the required values are a is equals to how much? A is equals to 1. Sorry, it is equals to 1. Okay, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 1. Okay. Similarly, you can solve question number 2.